Did you know that a clean home can significantly boost buyer interest and confidence? Imagine walking into a property that sparkles from top to bottom, inviting you to envision your future there. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we understand that first impressions matter, especially in real estate. We're a proud, retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, dedicated to helping realtors prepare homes for sale. Our reliable professional cleaning ensures that every corner shines, impressing potential buyers and speeding up property showings. Flexibility is key. We offer quick turnarounds to make sure your listings are ready just in time for open houses or buyer visits. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit home feels more inviting and emphasizes its best features, making it easier for buyers to fall in love. Ready to elevate your listings and close deals faster? Contact us today. Visit our website at app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Don't forget to check the video description for more details.